as I'm seeing this young lady kule situation again, sinanda simtshela ukuthi ya wena namanga ukhambulala kodwa uyamuzi de uyakhuluma ngakhona ukhuluma ngokuhluthile kuzukukhulu and ugcina kukhiphe nezinye indaba ezikhulunga kakhulu and yogcina ingagcina ibangele nawo mfo inkinga. Let me be honest with you, this one it's a serious case because nje uyasho ukuthi nimbalekise manje kosi ukuthi sikhambe sokuthola nestatement somntwana lo munye una 12 years and manje sinamaphoyisa athi langa leli but is those are ama-cases anjengalesi babiza amaZimbabwe bala same time they won't mind to drive going to Zimbabwe just ukuthi bayenze into leya i-justice for lo mntwana esikole ufunda lapha ungene lapha ngendawo zamaphepha right uyabona bengifuna ukuthi nina asizameni ukuthi silungise masinyane but the only thing engiyazi this young lady ungaphathwe inkinga eserious udinga i-support udinga ukuthi ayokuthola i-counseling okuthola yonke lento mina thana bengizokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi kuyokupolisa hayi ukuthi sinande simkhombisa wewe mntwana lo khambana lapha that one bafo it's wrong.
Uyazi mulungu wami mina ngifuna ukutshela into yami uyabona abantu mangakhuluma mina so ngine 40 something years ngifuna ukutshela into yami lapho ngikhule khona mesilala lo ngilale ne sometimes uyaphuma ulala nalo uyalala mara ina mabona to break uza kimi uyazi yenze kana le
this one
amijama
she's not thinking straight we can
asifuna ukubheka i-one side lekazi ama side wonke ngifuna ukutshela mina ukuthi kunenye umama waphika wathi ubreak kimi mina ngithi wa boss mina mengiyazi ukuthi ngisebenzise something ne after umntwana wawo usaya kuma DNA test wathi umntwana asiwona manje sikhuluma into enjalo
manje sikhuluma ngama case i2 ahlukile because uyabona icase yalo mntwana sikhuluma ngomntwana underage uyabona mase sikhuluma ngomntwana age akusekho indaba ukuthi bathi upractice ubani asacala ukuthi upractice ubani sicala the attempt eyenzekile kulo mntwana
mara still le case lo mntwana
izolala na grounding which is a case on its own
mara is 13 years now yona icase vele so angiboni ukuthi la kuzoba ukufuna ukuthi abantu bakhulumisane lo muntu lokufuna athathwe from here to social workers from social workers ama social workers azisebenza nawo from there umbone ukuthi kuzenzekala.
Thank you.
I think that's the best.
Thank you my brother, I like that yabona that ayile into bengifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo so manje because ukuthi siyothola nale statement salo mntwana loya and it's not like say against now or something at the end of the day mabuza icase eso we must teach abantu ukuthi abantu abancane or which is a stationary rape uyangithola nje it must be a lesson and then kubo bonke abantu mhlamba bathathe advantage ukuthi umntwana akayitholi support ethize or udinga imali or udinga anything bamthathele advantage wewamfake something ngaphakathi sim experience izinto umntwana lo sathi ukuthi adlale lapha endleleni manje ukuba mzali umntwana una 13 years ukuba mzali utize ukuthi adlala amaketo agijime lapha ambashe yena kose manje sikabe ngimama at the age of 13 yo this one is not good at all so ngiyocala bathi khona umuntu ona 12 years of practice is the same person masofika lapho umntwana lona yakhuluma athi uye yokuthini
but lo ayiwa singakhuluma ngalo ukuthi lo mntwana lo azange ayenze izinto ziningi and the problem yalo unamanga mina ngiphiki angawaphiki because angizange ngilale nawo or what but umntwana wala abamtshela amanga umithisi bani umunye umfana ubhema ithango lapha every day uhlala khona everything but lo kuthi yena atshela amanga mina ndiyazomnela lo ngiyamnela but ngendlela akhuluma naye ukuthi uyangitshela amanga ukuthi isingo
ekhabo umntwana lo bekalala every day
wena thula wena ufakazi umntwana lo kade adlala next door uyangibona nemunye umsana nawe angitshela abantu bathi ngisalapha bathi singo it's a mistake ukuthi wena sikhulume izinto ungazazi mina ngizazi nesikhathi muyenze izinto kade ngingekho but efuna iqiniso abantu bala bangitshela bathi singo umntwana wakho unyeke ezweni indaba zingekho and ubaba wakho wangitshela wathi thatha umntwana ongomse ekhaya ngozi
ubabami
ngitsho umntwana wami umamse ekhaya angasadlali nomntwana wami ngamhambisa manje yini
inkinga nina ngingatshela nomama lo yangitshela uqiniso manje bathe laba babalekisa umntwana bamise eZimbabwe ngoba umntwana wabo ubumile ukuthi yango wami umntwana lo yabo wathoma yena wathi hayi mina angazi into bese abazali bakhe wavuma ekugcineni ngoba abantu sele bathi wena bolala khona everyday ulala nomrazana lo maye uwalelani ukuthi ngowakho ngeyakho i-pregnant le
wena uneqiniso le uthi
anginalo iqiniso mara ngintshela ukuthi nina nibalekisile umntwana wenu ngapha eSouth Africa ngoba upregnant nomrazana
wena ungena aphi ukuthi wena uneqiniso ukuthi upregnant
or wena ngisho sesiyakhuluma iqiniso sesikhuluma iqiniso nje angitsho nina ningifisile eneniala nini sengikhuluma iqiniso
ngiyala ukuthi
masihambeni
angili mina
Sikhambe sifinala.
masihambeni nasibone nama-final
Ngizofonela i-social worker nje.
uyayibona ukuthi ifuna social worker
hayi wena social worker
ifuna social worker le ndawo
le 200 rand abalungise le 200 rand
200 rand.
sesikazi isitori se-200 rand uthi umuntu wangumana uphi 200 rand uthi ubuya kukuphi
okay
Baba sibheke statement leso
200 ekhaya iza nomama thengisa lapha
Uthi ngisakuphi mama?
unolayoni
ngathi ukhona mbizeni
no dayike lo uthengisa lapha
waza lapha malume wazekhaya
jama
wazethwele
mbizi
Yeah.
wazethwele ngagijima ngoba bekangibizile ngathi kanti yini wakhipha i-200 wathi mi 200 isuka ubaba Stingo bathi umntwanakho bathi umntwanakhe utsho yena
jama sombizi ule ngazophetha indaba
Banikeza 200 rand.
ubizwa nabantu ngimi nombizi nombizi
Eh?
jama umbizi
Chamethanga bizu ngoba ubonakala ngathi
ubani
wawo inchemberi jaja mama yarina jani kwathi baba hoshi baba
Hey, this is difficult before you. Hey, okay. Sifuna ukuthi sibe ne solution ekugcineni kwelanga.
mlanje wena
Yeah, it's amlanda. Okay, thank you. Control.